but dividing out some voting on Grammy. Grammy can only be voted by a Grammy member, so they have the academy. But whenever in Uganda, you can always go there, comment, thank them for the nomination, and to take away very well to your grateful. Yes, that's the least to can. Otherwise, Grammy is wrong. Yeah.
So kitegeeza oli ne baani bamaze ne bakuso baani betuli nabo mu category tetuli
category tuli ne bana boyi wanga consider but this is a global category. It's a global category. See,
amawanga so in Africa ovuganya bana bwa omwami yo musango otya
omwami na musanga Los Angeles. Again the Los Angeles original shows American Boston and Colanda Singer is unfair. But Uganda limits so I show at the show in Yama the Grammy. So I am going to go by your Grammy. Name from one Musaba Claudio Cocapati. A cup Grammy consideration party. Panotibari part of it, but Bali was so they was introducing so many musicians. I got in touch with a lot of artists by now, and I've recorded some music with them. And I hear God is great. Me and Matt, what we did is turn up. So Matt, we became friends, and then we decided to hit the studio and we got something.
Okay, Matt is going to Matt Katononyo before we conclude with Kenzo. Matt, how are you? This is Uganda. You say you are Africa. This is a live. So first of all, so great our members watching us on BBS TV.
How's everyone doing? I'm so excited to be here. This is my first time in Uganda and also my first time on the continent of Africa.
Which side of Africa are you?
Now, I don't know yet because I haven't done my ancestry.
Uganda, because God has blessed.
Uganda.
Oh.
You're not Uganda.
I thought you were asking my
You're not Uganda. So, the Uganda name, one name will be Uganda. Or what Mukasa. We have named you Mukasa. The name, Uganda name we have given you is Mukasa.
What does that mean?
Mukasa. Mukasa is a god of the positive.
Yeah, it is powerful. It is powerful. It's a blessing. You understand? Yeah, it's powerful.
So, how are you feeling about this nomination?
I feel absolutely amazing because, you know, we already had won over 20 awards stateside in the US, but this one in particular, to be nominated for this one is like absolutely amazing. And to do it with a superstar like Eddy Kenzo and to see the amount of love and support that he gets here and worldwide is I'm honored.
Did you see this coming?
No.
Okay, thank you. So, Eddy Kenzo, okay, so the last time you brought the BET, I had an interview with you and asked you what next. I'm not gonna hesitate asking you. You had the biggest festival in the land. You have the BET. There is a Grammy now. What next?
I don't know.
You know the man at a tender age.
Yeah, God is good, and I think I just need to concentrate on. I'm gonna do my best to at least build the talent school so that I can teach the next generation.
Thank you so much. We shall have some members of press right up on the booth, so they are looking camera. Just one question or two.
So after that, yeah. But Matt, they wanted to know how many awards you have won, and you can tell them how many nominations you received from Give It Up, because some people may think it is only Grammy. Tell them how many nominations and how many you won.
Okay, so I'm going to have to think about this because I know there are quite a few that we have been nominated for and have won over the past couple of months. We've won over 20, spanning across all categories, in reference to different award shows across the country in the United States, being Lit Talent Awards, the Muse Awards. What else?
There also has been Music Channel Awards, and they recently won an award for the Akola Awards. That was maybe a weakness of 2 weeks ago now. And we also have won a bunch of film festivals, the New York International Film Festival and Oros Film Festival in New York. That's won multiple for the music video as well, which was directed by Billy Flyboy, who is a American-based videographer. So we're just really blessed, really overwhelmed. God is
I think that on top of that, we're also really grateful that we entered into Billboard in the U.S., and that was huge for Giving Love. So a big accomplishment. We went number 39 initially, and we continued to climb the chart. So hopefully we will eventually be number 1.
Amadire mu Luganda nyina baganda bange ne bagamba akazungu ngenda abasimu. Olimba Give Me Love. Luli ku Billboard for the first time. Okubeera ku Billboard Afrobeat chart US. Olwo olimba lwetwogerako. Kinene nnyo ekyo. Oluyimba lwetwogerako lwakawangula awards like how many? Like 5? Yeah. Yeah, for over 24. Give Me Love. Over 20 awards for this very song. Even when they were coming, they brought me some awards for the same song. Because when they give out like 3, 4, so we all share. You understand? Mind you, even on the Grammy, the producer will get a Grammy, I'll get a Grammy, we'll get a Grammy. She's the executive producer, she'll get a Grammy. That's the whole thing.
Catchy, and I'm really, really humble that I'm here. You said tomorrow I'm leaving, but actually I'll be leaving Sunday.
What do you like about Eddy Kenzo personally? And I'm glad we have the Sierra Leone flag.
Yes, I do.
So we need to take this moment and we recognize the people of Sierra Leone.
Yeah.
Oh, we love you.
How do you know that? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I like me solo.
Yeah, man. God bless Sierra Leone. Thank you so much. Thank you for the international journalistic.
I'm from New Jersey, but I live in Los Angeles. Yeah, and for Uganda, getting or even being nominated for a Grammy as a person from the United States, it's such a big deal. So congratulations to everybody, not just the artists, but also the country of Uganda. And I'm so excited that I got to perform with Eddy Kenzo the other day. I was really excited to be there. So thank you for having me here in your country.
Tuyagala ndowooza ekibuuzo kimu bibiri ndasaba Isaac Kuzo okuva ku NMG naye abuze ekibuuzo cookie promotion that should according to hierarchy. So at least I've done something already. Yeah, because even the ghetto kids, they are in Qatar, but because I started that. Even the word ghetto kids, I'm the one who named them ghetto kids. Me, myself. You understand? And we have Masaka kids, they are all over the place. I've made over 10 artists to the, even more, even more. You know, I've made over, I think, 20, even beyond. So, and I'm still doing my best. But most importantly is raising the bar high. It's very important for everybody. They learn from there. Because when something's not done before, people think it's impossible until it's done. So when people sit down, they will continue from there. They can even do better. You understand? So reaching this level, I think that's enough. And then the rest shall come. But I'm trying my best to make sure that at least we have a bright future. Thank you. Ronnie, honestly, if you are over, now we birthday, we will have more advanced, the Kidabarua, Generaba, a gamba of WhatsApp, card WhatsApp one. Nakagama, which was stopping, I received from someone. Yeah? Can't I take that as a gamble? Because it didn't come from a lawyer, it can act properly. We are not some. So katosobola kuddawo n'ogamba omuntu kino bakiri because I'm not serving before until they serve us. Kubanga batusavinze then baloya bajja taking over. But for now tukola kuserving you, so we don't know. Nange biraba mawulire nga bwabyogera but sinaba kuweebwa bbaluwa confirm so serving, so I don't know how true is that. Naye nange nabalaba ebimawulire but obutongole tebunakuserving. Okay. Together, yeah, me, I need to receive any money from tourism or whatever for that, but I'm grateful that our kids and our people, whenever they go to the museum, they take pictures and they get inspired. Yeah, so if we win the Grammy, we'll start from there, but for now, let's pray. Yeah, then we just need to pray. Yeah.
First of all, Eddy kenzo good ambassador wa Uganda. Ubuira ambassador tasasulwa abula bwe bamulaba ke bamanya nti ne bakawalya ndiye bali tugende walupi. Oyagala omukolo gw'enjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio fe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala fe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabi ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku namba zino noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio fe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.